Welcome. Today we will show you 20 fascinating and quick facts about Sweden. Without further ado, let's dive in. Did you know that Sweden is the fifth largest country in the European Union by area, covering over 450,000 square kilometers? That's a lot of beautiful land to explore. Sweden is renowned for its commitment to sustainability. In fact, it's one of the world leaders in renewable energy, with a significant portion of its power coming from sources like wind and hydroelectricity. The Swedish people love their coffee. On average, a Swede consumes around 4 cups of coffee per day, making Sweden one of the top coffee-consuming nations in the world. Now let's talk about the Swedish language. While many Swedes speak English fluently, Swedish is the official language, and interestingly, it's also one of the few official languages of the European Union that is not Indo-European. Sweden is home to the Ice Hotel, located in the village of Jukkajärvi. This unique hotel is constructed entirely from ice and snow and is rebuilt every winter. The Swedish education system is one of the best globally. Students receive free education, and the emphasis is on fostering creativity and independent thinking. Sweden has an ancient and storied history, with evidence of human habitation dating back to the Stone Age. The country has seen the rise and fall of the Vikings and has a rich medieval heritage. Now, let's talk about Nobel Prizes. Alfred Nobel, the inventor of dynamite, was Swedish. The Nobel Prizes, awarded annually, were established based on his will and are a significant recognition of achievements in various fields. Swedes love their nature, and they have a unique legal concept called allemansrätten, or the right of public access. It allows people to roam freely in nature, even on private land, as long as they respect the environment. Sweden is known for its flat-pack furniture giant, IKEA. The company was founded in Sweden in 1943 and has become a global phenomenon, offering affordable and stylish home furnishings. The Swedish tradition of midsummer is a joyous celebration marking the longest day of the year. People gather to dance around a maypole, enjoy traditional foods, and revel in the summer festivities. Swedish cuisine features some unique dishes, such as surströmming, fermented herring that has a strong aroma. Sweden is home to a vibrant music scene, producing internationally acclaimed artists like ABBA, Roxette, and Avicii. The country has a robust welfare system, providing its citizens with universal health care, generous parental leave, and support for unemployment. It consistently ranks high in global quality of life indices. Sweden is home to the world's first national park, established in 1909. Known as Abisko National Park, it offers breathtaking landscapes, including the pristine Lake Torneträsk and the famous Abisko Canyon. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, can be seen in the northern parts of Sweden, offering a breathtaking natural light show during certain times of the year. Swedish technology is cutting edge, and the country is home to several successful tech companies, including Spotify, Skype, and Ericsson. The Swedish tradition of Lucia is a beautiful celebration of light that takes place on December 13th. A young girl, dressed in a white gown with a crown of candles, leads a procession, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness. Sweden is known for its gender equality efforts. The country consistently ranks high in gender equality indices, promoting equal opportunities for men and women in all aspects of life. Finally, let's wrap up with something sweet. Sweden has a delicious dessert called kanelbullar, which are cinnamon buns. They are a beloved treat, enjoyed by many Swedes and visitors alike. That was it. Thanks for watching.